Hello. I'm going to show you how to add a job execution record in your 10x system under the property maintenance tab. So this section is divided into two parts. One is the search area and one is the data area, which you can find at the bottom. So let's proceed with adding a new record. Now we first click on the add new option, and then secondly, we'll be redirected to another screen in which we have to enter specific details about the execution date or when the engineer has visited the property for maintenance. So the first is the execution date. So let's say it was on the 1st of March and the execution time had happened between 12 o'clock. And the execution type as to whether it was like normal or an emergency maintenance work. So let's say it was regular. And the contract. So the contracts appear once only you have posted them already in the maintenance contract section. If it's not posted, it will not appear in the contracts area. So we'll select the contract number and the contract visits, which automatically we have entered before. And the engineer number will be appearing as well here that we have assigned for this contract. And then we will say as for the maintenance, like, for example, we'll just give a small description as to the execution, the job execution that was happening. So let's say repairing the first floor lamps in the hallway. So once that is entered and you've made sure that all the record or the details entered is correct, then you'll click on save. Once you click on save, you will be taken directly again to the main page, and you can see that our record, which we've just added about the job being executed, has been displayed here. And then we have we have 5 options to the right side as to we can either post this record, make it a permanent record. Second, either we can edit the record or modify it. Third, we can preview or show, like for example, we can see all the details that we've entered. However, we cannot edit this record anymore. And the fourth is the delete button, so we can delete the record. And the last one is the audited info. That gives you information and details about the users that have edited or modified the record and the time and date as to when the modifications and the changes were done. And at the top, you can search for the specific engineer, the contract, or the execution type to easily, if you have a long list of data about the execution, you can easily find them by entering the details here on the search tab and clicking on search. Now, finally, if you're sure about the data entered, then you can click on post. That is how you can get around the job execution tab. Thank you.